Looking to manage money with a partner or start investing for a child? SoFi offers both joint and custodial accounts. Today, we're clearing up how to set each one up. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. They serve very different purposes. A joint account is for you and a partner to share, while a custodial account is an investment account you manage for a minor. For a joint SoFi Money account, both applicants need to be present during the application process in the app. You'll both need your social security numbers and IDs ready to verify your identities simultaneously. For a custodial investment account, you start the process as the custodian. You'll need the child's social security number and your own information to open the account under your management. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: understand the irrevocable nature of custodial accounts. Money gifted to a custodial account legally belongs to the child and cannot be taken back. It must be used for their benefit, and they gain control of it when they become adults. So, just like that, you're equipped to open the right shared account for your financial goal. Which type of account are you considering opening first? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.